Well, hello and welcome back to another quick RV walkthrough. As always, my name's Taylor Quayle, right here at Pedata RV Center, and we just took in 2025 Forest River EVO travel trailers. We got a few select, we got a stealth, we got a hard-sided light. Very cool. But actually, we're going to give you a quick tour of this one right here. This is a 2025 EVO Select 278SS FS. Kind of confusing, but that's what it is. So it is 31 foot long, weighs 7,700 pounds, a couple propane tanks, got a full pass-through storage right there, all your connections including outdoor speakers right here, nice big awning with an LED strip that I forgot to turn on with adjustable pitch arms. It's a double axle, of course. We do have an outdoor kitchen that has not a black stone, but a gray stone cooktop. And a little baby fridge. Standard step above solid steps, which are awesome. Got a screen door. This is only a single slide out. As you can see, this slide is right in front of us. 3 foot deep dinette and couch. This is a bunkhouse model. So we got two double wide bunks. You can sleep 10 people in this trailer. I don't know if you'd ever want to, but you can. Brand new shower there with the one-piece fiberglass walls. Over here we got the kitchen, nice farmhouse simulated sink right here with a couple covers, good amount of storage throughout. I'm gonna decline that phone call. There we go. So I don't know if you heard, but farmhouse style sink covers, nice and big. Not necessarily, I mean the faucet is adjustable, but it doesn't necessarily come out anymore. 3 burner stove top, Furrion 12 volt fridge, obviously microwave, ducted AC. Look at the ceiling in here. Didn't come standard with the TV, but that's all right. You can fit a pretty decent sized TV there. And there's that jackknife. Dinette turns into a sleeper. 4, 6, 8. And of course, in the king bed, we got another 2. You got some storage there. You got some cubbies back here with some USB inputs. And the USBs do have USB-Cs and standard. Nice extra little closet in the bedroom too. 190 watt solar panel on the roof, with another connection to put solar down below. Now, brand new, under warranty. Selling price is $35,995. If you have any questions, all my contact info will be on the screen. Thank you so much for viewing. Hope you guys have a great day.